Hello everyone. Today we have Divyansh with us and he is currently working as a data scientist for Fractal. Now he was one of my student and why I have called him is because I want all of you to listen to his story, his journey that will eventually help you to basically understand how you should proceed in this particular field. So hello Divyansh.
Hi, Sumit.
So,
Hey, everyone.
Divyansh, I want to understand about your journey. So, what you did during the course, what you did after the course, and how you landed as a data scientist for Fractal, which is one of the very great analytics company.
Okay. So, hi, everyone. So, I'm Divyansh, currently a data scientist in Fractal. Before joining Fractal, I was in Infosys I'm working as a working in a tech support role. So, actually, doing a career transition from that role to this role was really difficult task for me. So, what I did, I used to go through the modules step by step with a consistency, with lot of practice, and I also used to do several projects other than upGrad. So, for example, in Analytics Vidhya, Kaggle, I used to solve those projects. So, and also we need to have a good grasp in the theoretical knowledge. Of course, to be honest, I used to go through your lectures. So after doing all those things, I think that really worked fine for me, and I got a career transition to Fractal Analytics as a data scientist.
So, you mentioned about the importance of solving projects. So, can you emphasize more on it? Like, what kind of project or what are the various resources that the student can target to enhance their portfolio?
Okay. So, for example, if somebody is doing a course from any platform, I mean, I'll say that that is sufficient, but I'll say still that is not more than sufficient. If you have to achieve more, if you want to grow more, you have to you have to think outside the box. For example, there were some limited number of projects when I was doing a course from upGrad, but after doing some projects like Black Friday sale prediction from Analytics Vidhya or some jet rail traffic prediction, I used to do these types of projects. The domains are like time series, deep learning, or machine learning. So doing these projects will definitely help somebody to think outside the box. I mean, the boundaries, they will explore the boundaries, so which is what really is needed in today's world. So that is what really helped me to do a transition.
So basically, he's trying to you are trying to say that students should start exploring out of the course material, and they should create their own portfolio of projects.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and uploading those projects on GitHub will be very helpful if you join other organization, because first I'll say that getting a good knowledge, having a good grasp in a theoretical concept is good, but working on those is something different, because you will feel lot of difficulties while working on a project. Just by having a theoretical knowledge, it's not enough. So that's what I would say, that doing the projects from various other platforms will really help.
So, can you please briefly talk about how was the recruitment process for Fractal, and if someone is looking to enroll, like get into Fractal, what are the topics he or she should be confident at, and how to approach?
Okay, so first, you have to get a good grasp in the theoretical concepts of mathematics, which we learned in class 9, 10, 11, 12. Those things are very important for quantitative aptitudes. Then after that, there will be a second round where you have to clear the Python coding questions. That will be again basics, like you need to be thorough, like whatever questions they may ask, like printing pattern, or let's say Fibonacci series, or you should be confident enough about these two. After that, they will there was another test from SQL. So there were some 5 to 6 query questions we needed to solve. Sorry, I needed to be solved, basic to advanced. And after that, they will, in the interview rounds, they will generally ask about the basics of Python, machine learning, and the projects we did. So that is more or less, it will be something to this only.
So basically, to summarize, you have to be good at core mathematics, like probability, statistics, and algebra. Then you should be good with the Python, the basics Python, and the programming point of view the Python, followed by your knowledge in SQL coding, like querying, and then your theoretical knowledge. So these are like the 4 rounds that you cleared in order to get into Fractal.
Right, correct.
So at the end, like, what suggestion you want to give to the freshers who are trying to enter into this field? Like, what additionally they should do apart from the course that they are going through?
Okay, so additionally, what they could do, they could create their profile on Analytics Vidhya or Kaggle. I'm saying these names because these are the most common platforms, other than the other than the where people are doing the course from. So I would suggest to create their profile on these platforms, and just randomly they can browse any of the ML projects. So they can search and they can enroll in that, and they can parallelly work on that. So this will really help, and they can also see their ranks, whatever ranks they have secured, whatever marks they have secured. So this will again help them, and also to build your profile at the same time.
Okay, so basically, those of you who are listening to us and are freshers, uh, the very first thing that you should do is create your portfolio of projects apart from what you are doing in your regular course. The more projects you solve, the more clarity you will get in the real life problem, and that is how it will be easy for you to get into the job of a data scientist, right?
Right, correct.
So that was all about from my side for this video. I hope Divyansh was capable enough for explaining his journey to all of you. I hope you find it really useful, and see you in the next video. Thanks everyone.